Hi everyone, let me take you back to a moment in 2015. I was helping a small local business launch their first website. They had a great product, beautiful design, but after a few weeks almost no one visited the site. They asked me, why isn't anyone finding us? And that's when I learned. It's not about just being online, it is about being discoverable. And that's exactly where SEO meets MarTech. So, what is MarTech? MarTech stands for Marketing Technology, the tools and platforms that marketers use to plan, execute, and measure marketing campaigns. From email automation to analytics tools, it's how modern marketing works today. And SEO, search engine optimization, is one of the most powerful tools in that toolkit. SEO helps people find you online through search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, or others. And here's the link. Imagine SEO as the strategy and MarTech as the toolbox. You use MarTech tools to research keywords. You use MarTech tools to optimize your website content. Also, you use them to track performance and user behavior. And these tools help you answer important questions, such as what are people searching for? How can you appear in those search results? What content actually brings in traffic? So here's the key. SEO isn't just about keywords anymore. It's about user experience, site speed, mobile optimization, and content quality. And you use MarTech to analyze and improve all of it. So why does it matter for you as someone who is learning English for digital marketing? Because SEO is full of industry-specific vocabulary like backlinks, crawling, bounce rate, organic traffic, so many more. And these are not just words, they are skills employers are looking for. So as your English improves, understanding how to talk about SEO using real MarTech tools will give you an edge, whether you're applying for a job, joining a project, or launching your own campaign. So next time you Google something, remember, it's not magic, it's SEO, and behind it is smart MarTech strategy. So thanks for watching. Follow me for more lectures on digital marketing, MarTech, and how to speak about them fluently in English. See you later. Bye bye.